Ayan, welcome to China World Mall. Ayan. Social dito guys. Ayan, Mulberry. So ayan guys, dito kami kakain sa Blue Frog Bar and Grill. And now, let's try naman the burger. Ayan. Ayan, maliit lang siya, cute size. And here we have the view of CCTV tower. Ayan.
Ito ang ganda oh. Jeans, ano pala yan? Jeans Billboards. Pants.
Journey starts today. The journey starts today.
Ni hao guys, so for today, let's go to CCTV tower and Hongqiao to buy some souvenirs. Time check guys, 11 AM, so doon na din kami magla-lunch. So tara, let's go. 11:26 AM, so ayan, nandito na tayo sa Beijing substation. And ito naman yung Beijing Transit Line, ayan. Ang ganda guys, ang laki din. And pwede nating malibot ang buong Beijing using train. Ayan. Laki. And this is their substation, ayan. So yun guys, bili na tayo ng ticket using cash. So ayan, madali lang siya.
One ticket. Next. Cash. Ano cash mo? Yan. Ano pala, binidyohan kita. No?
Dito.
Naka-video na.
Okay, good. Ganito ang buhay namin sa...
Sale and print po.
Ay, oo nga pala, no, naghintay na ako kaagad.
So guys, mabilis lang siya since may English din naman na instruction.
Ito sa'yo na tayo.
Tayo naman guys, may laman pa yung card natin, so tap lang natin. So right, let's go! Yun guys, dito na tayo sa taas. Ayan, intay lang tayo ng train. So ayan guys, yan yung view natin. Ganda.
以清华东路西口为终点站的列车即将进站。The train bound for 清华东路西口 is arriving.
Right, padating na yung train. Let's go!
Line 14.
So tara, let's go! So yun guys, enjoy muna natin yung train view ng Beijing. Yeah. So guys, winter nga pala ngayon dito. So ayan, ganyan yung mga puno, walang mga dahon. So yun guys, so from China International Exhibition Center, bumaba tayo ng Wangjing. Then transfer naman tayo. Alright guys, Wangjing na tayo. So yan, transfer naman tayo sa line 14. And baba tayo ng Dawanglu. So yan, baba na tayo sa sakay ng train, line 14. Ayan. Going to Zhangguozhuang. Yan, dito tayo sa kabilang side, Zhangguozhuang. Ayan na, may train na. Alright, sakay na tayo. So yun guys, next naman is sa Dawanglu tayo bababa. Ayan. And transfer ulit. Alright guys, ayan, Dawanglu station na tayo guys. Then transfer tayo ng line 1 going to Gucheng, then baba tayo ng Guomao. Right, let's go. So yun guys, din na tayo sa Guomao. Ayan. Exit tayo ng China World Trade Center. Northwest exit. And tsaka dito pala guys, ayan, may sakayan na rin going to Universal Studios Beijing via train. Ayan. So tara, exit na tayo. Right, touchdown na guys, China World Trade Center. Pasok na tayo. Ayan, welcome to China World Mall. Ayan. Social dito guys. Ayan, Mulberry. Ayan, Versace. Pero di tayo dito mamimili ng souvenir, mahal dito. Saint Laurent. Yan, Gucci. Ayun. Valentino. Yan, Tiffany & Co. Yan guys, meron din Rolex dito. Yan. Mga luxury brand. Yun, Tom Ford. Max Mara. Ano to? Moncler? So guys, window shopping lang tayo dito kasi wala tayong pambili. Starbucks Beijing guys, yeah. So guys, lunch time na, so hanap muna kami ng mga kainan dito. Alienware. Alienware. Wow! Alienware, solid. Crab and painting. King crab. Laki. Ito yung mukha. King crab. So yan guys, dito kami kakain sa Blue Frog Bar and Grill. So ito yung updated menu nila with prices na rin. Ayan. So post nyo na lang. Ayan, meron silang salad. Meron ding soup. Ayan, burger. Oh, burger. Laki. Malaking burger. Ayan, daming burger. Puro burger sila dito. Ayan, meron din silang steak. 888. Bali, 7,000 pesos. Sakit. Ayan, ito naman. Pasta. Ayan, meron ding dessert. Dessert. Ayan, Blue Frog Restaurant. And ito na yung soup natin. Ayun, sinasoso pala yung tinapay sa soup. And this is the burger. Ayan, mini burger lang with fries. Yeah. Cute ng buns nila, ayan. May Blue Frog na logo. And for the pasta, ayan, Italian pasta with meatballs. Alright, let's eat. Italian pasta siya guys, so expect natin na maasim. And now, let's try naman the burger. Ayan. Maliit lang siya, cute size. And here we have the view of CCTV tower. Wow. CCTV tower means China Central Television. Yan, the national television broadcaster of China. And it is famous for its architectural design. Alright, so tara, let's check it outside. Full. Full. Wow, ganda, laki. Alright, picture taking na. na nag-gloves. Kaya ko na. Go, 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 go. Pasok. Full yan, ha? Alright guys, after CCTV Tower, let's go to Hong Chau and buy some budget meal souvenir. So tara, let's go!